Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this project is a bench Vise Lathe machine, and how to all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is all parts. This is all parts is assemble here easily and clearly. And this is a isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all dimension in inches. And this project is very important for a beginner, a student. And and this is a perfect drawing and assemble. okay this body is a drawing here, and how to this body is drawing, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And all process and all geometry is learn here. okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. At first, going to this part, and part is a some setting is very important. At first, this is a plain white. And going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And this unit setting is a very important. This is a inch, pound, second, IPS. All is better. And at first, select this, and this use of front view, because this use of front plane, because this is a front view is all geometry you can see here on the screen. This is showing here. And this is this bigger circle radius is a 0.36 inch, and a small radius is a 0.2 inch, and this distance is a 0.39 inch, and this thickness is a 0.13 inch. This is a perfect. At first, select a front plane, and two circle is drawing here, a simple. First and second. And a line is a drawing here, this point to drawing this vertical line. And again click this line, and this is a vertical line. And this line is a this relation is delete here, and this line, and also this relation is delete here, and this line is a this, and this line is also delete here. And and this is a line is a drawing a vertical line. And some extra portion is a delete here, this is a delete here, and this is a delete here. And define a dimension. Dimension is this is a bigger circle is a drawing here, a 0.36 inch. And this distance 0.39 inch. And automatic is this is a drawing here, this this is a this, and this dimension is a automatic is drawing here. All is perfect and correct. And going to this extrude boss, and this thickness is 0.13 inch. All is perfect, and click all is better. And this geometry is a this is a 0.36 inch, and this is a 0.20 inch is automatic is a drawing here. And this is a distance between this 0.39 inch, and both is a perfect, and this thickness is 0.13 inch. This body is a drawing here. And going to material, and select appearance, and select a metal, and metal is a chrome, and chrome plate is a this chromium plate is a material is apply here. And this body is looking perfect and correct. Going to isometric. All is a perfect is correct. And this is a perfect. Guys, guys. All dimension is mentioned here, is you can see here on the screen. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.